here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So, meron na naman tayong haul from London. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. So, yung haul natin ang galing kay Julie. This is my sister-in-law who's still in London. And my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, yung wife niya, si Jo and Shirley, si George. So, ito yung, kay Papsi. Michael Kors shirt. Ayan, dalawa siya. Upgraded na si Papsi. Michael Kors na ang kanyang t-shirt. And from si Tony Hilfinger naman from Jojo and Sherilyn for Papsi din. And yeah, we have women's perfume. Ayan. Ted Baker. And thank you, She. Thank you, Jo. And yung natin, pasalubong from Julie. Ayan. Meron naman tayo Michael Kors na bag. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan. Parang may tumingin sa ating bag. Ayan. Ganda. Parang gusto na natin din. It's Michael. Thank you so much, Julie. Ayan, for the pasalubong. Yan, galing yan sa London. Thank you so much. Yan, ang ganda. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. We are happy. We are happy with our haul. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.